Hi there, I'm Mark Pratt, co-owner and managing director of Broadview Shading Solutions Limited. We currently supply and fit high-end quality products at affordable prices in the retail, outdoor living and vehicle awning markets. Over the last few years, the company has still been able to expand, develop and adapt through these challenging times, and I predict that this will continue on an upward trend for the next 2 to 3 years.
I am Ian Pratt, co-owner and director at Broadview Shading Solutions. I currently head up our UK network of awning dealers, including the specialist vehicle awning systems. In addition, I oversee all marketing activities and IT. The dedication and work ethic of the Broadview team has earned us an excellent reputation, which I'm very proud of. I have peace of mind that our customers receive the highest quality and satisfaction.
I am Michelle Collins and I'm Head of Finance at Broadview. For the 10 years that I have worked here, Broadview have shown a steady upward growth trend. During the last 18 months especially, we have been very fortunate and have found there to be a great demand for our product range, which we are confident is ongoing and will continue for the future.
My name is Katie and I'm the Operations Manager at Broadview. It is my role to uphold and continue the high standard here at Broadview throughout the order process, making sure each order is handled with care, attention to detail and installed within our timeframes quoted. Over the 50 years that Broadview has been operating, we as a company have grown significantly. It is crucial that we fully control our supply chain to ensure that we meet our customers' expectations. When placing an order with Broadview, my team and I can assure you of a seamless process from start to finish.
My name is Melissa and I'm the Retail Manager at Broadview and work within the Outdoor Living department. It is my role to uphold a high standard and ensure our customers' requirements are met and that orders are delivered and installed on time, achieving 100% satisfaction, which is reflected in our Trustpilot reviews. When you place your order with Broadview, you can be sure to receive a high-quality product alongside outstanding customer service. Inquiries regarding our line of products can be made via phone, email or pop down to our pool showroom to view the extensive range we have available, both internal and external. Alternatively, you can visit our website and our team on hand will be more than happy to assist you with the rest of your inquiry.